Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn to Educate. Thank you so much for liking, sharing and supporting my previous videos. Your support inspires me to create more useful content for teachers and educators. In today's video, I am going to show you an exciting feature called Canva Code, and I will be explaining you how teachers can use Canva to make classroom more interactive, creative and engaging. I will also guide you through the basic feature of Canva that every teacher should know, and then we will create a fun-loving classroom activity together. So let's get started. First, you have to open Canva. For that, you have to go to your browser and type canva.com. If you have already an account, click on login, and if you are new to Canva, click on sign up and create your free account. Once you log in, you will see the Canva homepage. This is where all your designs begin. Now let me show you one of the important feature of Canva, that is template. Once you will click on template, you will see all these options available. This you can use for your day-to-day classroom activities like creating presentation, worksheet, any documentation for whiteboards and many more. You can create using these templates. Now let me go to our main content, that is Canva. You can go to more, you can click on Canva AI. Now for Canva Code, the first thing you have to do is you have to go and select this particular option that is available below this area, that is code. You will click here. Once you will click, you can see it get highlighted. Now just don't be nervous by seeing this term code, because this code is nothing. System has to do everything. The Canva will do everything. Canva will create a code for us. You need not have to be a computer teacher to create this code. For this, I will be writing here one prompt. It can be as simple as you want. I wanted to generate a classroom activity for grade 5 on topic plant. I can mention here interactive. Now you can see the Canva will start working for that. Here you will see this Canva already started writing the code for you. I don't know how many lines it will write, how much time it will take. It will take some time, so have patience, sit back and relax. The Canva is making activity for you. Once it will be generated, it will be shown in front of us. So let's wait. Generally it takes time, so in the meantime I will show you the another activities which I generated before itself to just show you. This is a activity called sorting. It's already available template that I used for creating my think share activity with the students. I can share it with the student using this link. I will copy the link and even I can post it in my LMS, so the students will be getting their own copy to do the activity. Apart from that, in the meantime we will check. It is not yet started. Here I created this another activity for Python only. In this I explained this exception handling topic with the help of Canva activity. Here or you can see it has given me a Python simulator also to run the code and check the output. Here I can see the output below it. So this is a kind of activity which I created. Here for social science teachers, I created one activity in which it has shown a timeline based on French Revolution. Here wherever you will click, you will get a detailed description of that particular year, what happened in that year, what was the significance of that time. Everything will be explained over there. This is also one of the activity that I created. Then here again one for climate change, I made one activity. Here a quiz is there for based on real life scenarios. I will be posting it, assigning it to the students, and student will be doing it. Now the next one is physics. I created a virtual lab simulator here using Canva. So what I did, I just begin it. You can display all these activity on your smart board. It's not necessary that student will be having system to do this. So here you can see what aim, material required, procedure, then predictions that will take. Then here you can see the simulation, release the ball, record trials, observations, conclusion, everything you can find in this. The only thing is you should know. I can also create a interactive certificate using this Canva code. Just this prompt should be proper, so our activity will be generated in a proper manner. Then apart from this, I have also created this one activity for Python file handling. This is something which I'm going to use for my next class that I created. You can see there are various modes that will help me to show the students in a simulator form, and then I will be doing the practicals in front of them. And this is for primary teachers. They can use this timer sort of activity, any fun loving activity. Even this you can use on your slides. You can publish it and use it on your slides at the corner if you wanted to keep a track of the time. So see, here are already this activity has been generated. We can see Plant Explorer, discover the amazing words of plant, label it, quiz, match, and learn. Flower. We can see here the different things that got created. For that, I just need to use this design. If you'll click it, you can use it in presentation, your whiteboard, any website, or in the document form also you can get it, or you can publish it. Once you will publish it, you will get this link that can be given to the student. Once they will type it, they can directly reach to this activity. So this is how I can generate the activity. You can also do changes in that. Suppose I want background color to be changed, so just you have to type here. So again the system will start working on it, and once it will be created, I can see my updated activity in the form of version 2. Here I can see it as a version 1. Here it will be a version 2. I can use either this or multiple changes. If you want, you can do again. This is something very interesting. It is useful for all the teachers. See here, I can see the change in my background. You can use this Canva code to create games, puzzles, quizzes, story writing boards, flashcards, exit tickets, reward certificates you can give to your students, and many simulators for your practical preparations, and many things. So once you are done with it, you just need to publish it and you will be getting design. If you don't want to publish, you can directly use one in the presentation form. It will be shown in the form of presentation, where you will just see see the activity in the form of slide. There you just expand it and present it in front of the student. You can do the changes. You can ask to increase the font size, color, anything, whatever you want. So this is so friends, Canva is a powerful tool for every teacher. It saves time, improve creativity, and make learning exciting. And with Canva Code, you can easily gamify your classroom and engage students like never before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn to Educate. Till then, bye. See you in the next video. Thank